stay right here, but yeah, we can just go around everyone. Ooh. Oh, dude, I almost saw your light flash in front of your eyes. There's gas up here, don't worry. That was the old slap on the indicator and pull out in front of you.
Don't forget, California is legal to lane share and also to lane split. So this car just slapped on the indicator and pulled out. But what do you think? It's kind of like a corner. They just didn't really look. They saw the white car, wasn't looking for the bike. I'm not too sure. But I do know, looking at California road law, lane splitting and lane sharing in this case was also legal too. The car just didn't look. So what do you guys think? I think the car could have looked a little better and shoulder checked, and you would have seen the bike there. But it also, I can see from the car's point of view, it was kind of spicy. So, you know, I'm on the fence. So let me know in the comments. What do you think? Whose fault was that? Or was it 50-50? Let me know.
That's so dope. Look at this guy, yeah. That is dope. Yeah. That's how many cc. Oh, he's gone. Dude, he almost ate shit in that corner though, dude. What the fuck? What's going on there? This thing is dope, man. Oh yeah, every shift. I should put a GoPro down there. Oh my god. That is so dope, man. This thing is a fire-breathing monster. Yeah, every shift it does it.